Chapter 3: Understanding Windows. You will learn about starting windows, mouse pointers, changing the screensaver, special features like arrow peek, shake and snap, locking the system, shutting down a computer. Starting windows. You already know that you see the Windows icon, Windows 10, you switch on the computer. As the process of starting a computer when it starts, the operating system is loaded in computer's memory, which is called the booting. The first screen that appears after computer starts is desktop. After booting process gets completed, you see the desktop on computer screen. Brain dose. Windows 10 provides you the feature of putting the recycle bin on the start menu. Desktop contains various useful items on it like taskbar, the start button and desktop icons. Examples of some desktop icons are this PC. This PC icon lets you access the computer's storage devices, both removable and non-removable. Documents. This icon stores computer documents and other files associated with programs on your computer. For example, while saving a file in Microsoft Word, the default folder is Documents. Recycle bin. When you delete a file or folder, it doesn't actually get deleted. It goes to the recycle bin. That's a good thing for you because if you want to get back your deleted file, you can get it back from the recycle bin. If you don't need the deleted items again, you can empty the recycle bin. Doing that will permanently delete the items from your computer and you can't get them back. Mouse pointers. While working on computer, you notice that a mouse pointer changes according to your actions that you perform on computer. Various types of mouse pointers are standard pointer. Tells that computer is running normally. You see it to select, point or drag items on the screen. Text pointer. It is used for inserting text. Resize pointer. Used for changing the size of window. Move pointer. Moves an object around like pictures or windows. Busy pointer. It tells you that computer is busy in running some program in foreground, so you need to wait. Background busy pointer. It tells you that computer is busy in running some program in background and you need to wait. Changing the screensaver. A screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is left idle for a specified amount of time. You can get back to the normal screen by simply pressing any key or moving a mouse until and unless you don't lock your computer. Below are the steps to change the screensaver. Step 1. Right-click with the mouse anywhere on desktop. This will display a menu. Step 2. Click on Personalize under that menu. Step 3. A window named Personalization will appear. From the side menu, click on Lock Screen option. Step 4. At the bottom on the right side, click on Screensaver Settings. Step 5. This will open a Screensaver Setting dialog box. Step 6. Under Screensaver, group drop-down menu, select Screensaver of your choice. Step 7. The preview of selected screensaver will be seen in the window before applying. Step 8. You can also set the time for screensaver to come up when computer is inactive in the wait box. Click on OK. Special features. Arrow peek. Arrow peek, also called Show Desktop, is a feature available in Windows 10 that allows you to view your desktop by placing and not clicking your mouse over arrow peek on the far right side of the taskbar, or you can also click Windows and space bar key. With Arrow Peek, you can also choose to preview any particular open window while hiding all the others by simply clicking on that thumbnail of the window in the taskbar which you want to open. Arrow Shake. If you have many windows open on your desktop and you shake any open window quickly by simply clicking on its title bar, this will minimize all other windows, leaving the active one open. Shake the window again and all the closed windows will open up again. This is Arrow Shake. You can also press Windows and M key from the keyboard if you want to minimize all windows except the one you are working on. In short, Arrow Shake is hiding all inactive windows upon shaking the active window. Arrow Snap. Arrow Snap is a new window management feature which lets you snap or fix windows to the edges of your computer screen. The goal of this feature is to provide the user with an effortless way to position your open windows in any way you want them with minimum clicks and effort. In Windows 10, you can snap up to 4 windows on the screen starting from 2 and 3. Snapping 2 windows. To snap 2 windows side by side, follow below steps. Step 1. Click the title bar of window. Step 2. Drag the window to the left or right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select the thumbnail of the second window that you want to run side by side, or else open the window manually and drag it to the opposite side of screen. Alternatively, you can also use the Windows key plus left arrow from keyboard to snap a window to the left, or Windows key plus right arrow from keyboard to snap a window to the snapping 3 windows. To snap 3 windows, snap another window on the left or right side top or bottom corner of the window. Snapping 4 windows. To snap up to 4 windows, follow below steps. Step 1. Click the title bar of a window. Step 2. Drag the window to any of the 4 corners of the screen. Step 3. Repeat the steps and snap 3 additional windows to the remaining available corners. Alternatively, you can also use Windows key plus left arrow plus up arrow key to snap it to upper left side of screen, or press Windows key plus right arrow plus up arrow to snap it to upper right side, or press Windows key plus left arrow plus down arrow to snap it to lower left side, and press Windows key plus right arrow plus down arrow to snap it to lower right side of screen. Cortana. Cortana is Microsoft's intelligent personal assistant. It helps you to find things in your computer, set appointments, answer questions, and many other things. To use Cortana, simply type a question in the search box in the taskbar or click the microphone icon and talk to Cortana. Microsoft Edge. Windows 10 includes the first version of Microsoft's new browser Edge. By default, Edge can be accessed by clicking on the icon placed on the taskbar. When Edge opens, it presents a window similar to most browsers. BrainDOS. Spartan was given the name to Edge earlier in 2014. Locking the system. If you have to leave your PC alone for a period of time and don't want to shut it down, you can turn off its display by locking it. To lock your computer, press Windows plus L. This feature helps to secure your data in your absence because only you can log in back to your computer, as only you know the password of your computer and no one else. Shutting down a computer. You should always shut down your computer once you have finished working on it. To shut down a computer, click the Start button, then choose Power. A menu will appear on screen having following options. Shut down. It will close all applications and computer will be turned off. Restart. In this option, the computer goes through a complete shutdown process and then starts back up again. Sleep. It is a power-saving state. All actions on the computer are stopped. Any open apps or documents are put in memory while computer goes into a low power state. You can quickly resume your work. Quick recap. Windows icon is the first thing you see when computer is switched on. Booting is the process of loading operating system in computer's memory. Desktop contains various useful items like the start button, taskbar, and icons. There are various types of mouse pointers in computers. A screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after computer is inactive for a specified amount of time. There are various special features in Windows 10: Arrow Peek, Arrow Shake, Arrow Snap, Cortana, and Edge. Arrow Peek helps you to show desktop when multiple windows are opened on your computer. Arrow Snap helps you to work on adjacent windows. Cortana is Microsoft's intelligent personal assistant.